Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1970 Nova SS big block 4-speed. It doesn't get better than that, guys. We're doing this video for you today so you can make a great decision on your muscle car investment. Come on up, let's take a look at this beautiful car. You can hear it run. As you can see under the hood, we have a gorgeous 396 motor. This is a rebuilt motor, rebuilt heads, new stainless steel valves, hardened seats, Luinetti cam, 292 duration, 544 hydraulic lift, 750 Holley. This car is tricked out. It is awesome and tons of fun to drive. HEI ignition, ceramic coated headers, power steering. Just one raging little beast here, guys. We're going to drop the hood, take a look at the body, paint, and show you how it runs. Looking down the side of the vehicle, it is absolutely clean, straight, solid, beautiful. Keep in mind, when we're buying a car, we ask the same questions as you guys ask. We don't like buying garbage because then our customers will be unhappy and they won't want to buy it. So keep in mind, we own our inventory, not like most of the other dealers. We're going to pop open the trunk, show you how clean inside this trunk it is. All the chrome, stainless on this vehicle is absolutely beautiful. As you can see by our photographs as well, the undercarriage and everything is absolutely clean and very solid. Looking down the passenger side, it is absolutely solid and clean. Doors open and shut great. Look at that. Very clean, sitting on some nice rims, nice tires. Just one beautiful ride, guys. Don't break the bank. Buy a car from Vanguard. Have some fun. Be a contestant at the car show this year. Don't be a spectator. Call Tom today. I'm available 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. And don't forget to sign up for Classic Car Buying Secrets at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. As you can see, all the door lips and everything are absolutely beautiful. Interior is like brand new in here, guys. 4-speed, tack. It's got some aftermarket gauges, so you know what how your car's running. And just one beautiful, beautiful, clean job. Don't forget, you can see us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube as well. Just go to our website, and we have quick links right over to those.